Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use WeTransfer to send photos. So let's get started. First, go to wetransfer.com. Over here, click on Add Files. This will open a file explorer. Then highlight and select all the photos you want to send. After that, WeTransfer will begin uploading your files. You can send up to 2 GB per transfer. Then you'll see two options, either invite someone via email or create a link. Then enter your email address and give your files a title. You can also write a message if needed. After everything is uploaded, click Get a Link. WeTransfer will then ask you to verify your email. Go to your inbox, copy the code they sent, and paste it into the verification field. Once verified, your link will be generated. You can now copy the link and send it to anyone. When the person clicks on the link, it will prompt them to download the photos. If you chose the email method, the recipient will receive a direct download email. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.